everyone, it's Anil Uma. I hope you guys are really well. I'm so pumped up for today's video. I mean, who doesn't love skincare? So in today's video, I'm going to show you and talk about my skincare routine, and some of the products are like to 500 and 600 rupees. And आप MRP रेट से थोड़ा कम रेट में इसको परचेज करना चाहते हो, देन आपको ये ऑनलाइन बहुत ही अच्छे रेट में, बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइसेस में मिल जाएगा. Some of the skincare products are definitely a game changer for me. So I'm going to talk about how and why I like to use them. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm going to talk about this Garnier micellar water, which is oil infused micellar water. And if you don't know about this micellar water, then it's a makeup cleansing water which helps to remove makeup, and it also helps to remove dirt and gunk from your face. So this is Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water for all skin types. Removes waterproof makeup plus cleanses plus nourishes. No rinse off. Face, eyes, lips, non-greasy. Dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested. It comes in 400 ml of product in it, which cost for 399. And अगर आप इसे ऑनलाइन परचेस करने चाहोगे ना, then you will get it like in 225 rupees, which is like not a bad deal. So I got this from Amazon for 225. Now let me talk about my skin type. I have extremely oily and acne prone skin, and as you guys know, it has a oil in it which removes my makeup properly. And वो जो ढीठ काजल होते हैं ना, ढीठ काजल, वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा, लिपस्टिक, उनको भी अच्छे से रिमूव करने में ये हेल्प करता है. Now you have to shake the bottle first, ताकि इसके ऊपर जो ऑयल है ना वो अच्छे से मिक्सड अप हो जाए like this. Then take it on your cotton pads, and अगर आप reusable भी यूज करते हो ना, तो आप उसके ऊपर भी ले सकते हैं.
And then just you can make it on your eyes like for 10 to 20 seconds. This gonna melt down or break down the eye makeup. बहुत ही आसानी से ये eye makeup और सारा makeup निकाल देता है ये. It has non-greasy formula in it which doesn't make my skin look oilier side.
And इस पे लिखा है no rinse off, but I would like to double cleanse my face. इसके बाद I would like to wash my face with the face wash. And this is meant for all skin type. काफी थोड़ा सा लेना पड़ता है, and आपकी स्किन को ये ड्राई भी नहीं करता है. Absolutely freaking love this one. Okay, next up I have this cleansing mask for the brand MyGlam. So MyGlam is an Indian based brand which is cruelty free and vegan brand. So when I think of cleansing ना, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है when you apply makeup. I would like to prefer, or I would like to suggest you, if you apply makeup now, you should double cleanse your face. So this is MyGlam hydrating cleansing mask with water band technology infused with moisture boosting marine mineral. And it smells so good, and it's like a subtle kind of smell, and which doesn't irritate your skin at all. I've been loving this face mask lately, and it's been over a month now I've been using this, and especially when I'm wearing makeup.
So I like to use it after removing my makeup and taking a minimal amount on my fingers and applying it even layer on my face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, wet the face mask and gently work up a lather to exfoliate.
So I don't need to extra exfoliate my skin. It cleanses and exfoliate my skin at the same time. It comes in a 50 gram of product in it, which cost for 1095. And if you use my code UMA3630_PLIXXO, and then you will get 500 rupees off on their website or on their app. So इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. You can check them out, and ये आपको काफी अच्छे डिस्काउंट एंड डील में मिल जाएगा. Okay, next affordable and miracle product that I have is this face mask, and this is by the brand Earth Rhythm. This is face mask pour out pumpkin and glycolic acid. As you guys know, it has glycolic acid, which is an exfoliating agent which removes dead skin cells, and it also fades the acne scars. Acne scars के जो marks है उसको भी कम करता है. Also helps to remove mild pigmentation without whitening the skin. And they do have variety of skincare range. And this brand Earth Rhythm is Balm. You can choose according to your skin concern.
Now how I like to use it, I gently apply a thin layer of the creamy mask onto my cleansed face. After cleansing के बाद ये use करना होता है. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water.
And it gives you थोड़ा सा tingling sensation to your skin, which is normal. It means ये mask आपके skin पे अच्छे से काम कर. Now the price of this 50 gram of face mask is for 698 rupees. And आप अगर इसे ऑनलाइन ही परचेस करने जाओ ना, then you will get a great discount on this. I got this from Amazon on their festive sale, and I'll provide all the products link in the description box, so that will be easier for you to check them out. Next affordable and bomb product is this lip scrub, and it's by the brand T&W. It's T&W all natural lip scrub for tinted and darkened lips, paraben free. ठंड जब शुरू होने लगती है ना, तो सबसे पहले हमारे लिप्स पे इसके चेंजेस दिखने लग जाते हैं। एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस विंटर ना, आई वुड लाइक टू यूज़ हर आधे घंटे में लिप बाम टू कीप इट मॉइस्चराइज। बिफोर दैट लिप स्क्रब यूज़ करना काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है। दैट विल मेक योर लिप्स मॉइस्चराइज एंड आपके लिप्स पे जो डेड स्किन सेल्स है ना, उसको भी रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है। It comes in 25 gram of product in it, which cost for 440. And again, if you buy it from online, you will get a really amazing discounts. I got this from Amazon and it's for like 299 rupees, which is like a great deal. And talking about the fragrance is like so fruiticious, बहुत ही ज़्यादा yummy सा fragrance है ये, and the color is also like really good. I would like to use it thrice a week. हर दूसरे दिन यूज़ करना पसंद करती हूँ मैं, especially during winters because of that chapped lips. This is specially made for tanned and darkened lips, and if you use this frequently now, then definitely you will see थोड़ा सा difference on your lips. Can't really say कि ये pigmentation को दूर करेगा कि नहीं, but this will definitely make your lips tan free.
Massage very gently on the lips with the fingertips on a circular motion, leave for 2 minutes and then wipe it off.
It's a natural product, but even a natural product can cause allergy to some people. So I would recommend you to use the product on your inner elbows and wait for 10 minutes. And if this irritates you, then discontinue. Okay, next I have this lip balm, and this is by the brand Sugar, and it comes in a quite an impressive variant. Total 7 variants in it. And I have in the shade, and I have in 01 Mojito. स्किन केयर हो और हम अपने लिप्स को इंक्लूड ना करें, दैट्स इम्पॉसिबल। ऑल्दो हम कभी कभी अपने लिप्स पे ध्यान देना बिल्कुल ही भूल जाते हैं, एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू विंटर ना, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान देना बनता है। द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वन इज 199, एंड अगेन इफ यू वांट टू बाय इट फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन, यू विल गेट अ ग्रेट डिस्काउंट, लाइक 179 का आपको ये मिल जाएगा फ्रॉम Amazon and from their website as well. Talking about the product, it's extremely moisturizing and it also has sun protection in it. And it has vitamin E in it, which also helps to repair the wound from our lips, and जो कि dead skin cells को remove करते वक्त हमें हो जाता है। Alright guys, so this was my top 5 skincare products जो कि under 500 rupees में थे। कुछ products more than 500 भी थे, but as I said, if you buy it from online ना, you will get a great deal. आपको अच्छे खासे रेट में वो products मिल जाएंगे। अगर आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको ये कैसा लगा। एंड इफ़ यू वांट मी टू डू कुछ ऐसे टाइप के कुछ वीडियोस नियर फ्यूचर में, देन वो भी कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। इफ़ यू रियली एंजॉय watching today's video and found today's video informative and helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and for more of such type of content in future. And please like and share to your friends and family, and thank you being a part of this family. And also do let me know in the comment section कि आपको आज का मेकअप कैसा लगा। This makeup is inspired by Selena Gomez, and yeah, and if you guys want me to do this makeup look, then also let me know. Okay, till then, bye. See you in my next video.